right now? Are you married? Don't lie to me.
Look at my fingers.
Hey, y'all. You can take the ring off just as easy though. Everybody from her chat, come over, tell me is she wrong?
I am not married.
Hey, we getting mixed signals. I'm saying she's single. Yes, she does. She is single. Yes, she does. Check the name. Her man name Akeem.
That's my friend.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't lead. You leading me on right now is what you doing.
I'm doing what?
You leading me on right now.
Oh.
You got a man's or not?
I don't know who's that.
Akeem, that's not your man's.
I don't know. No.
They said, oh yeah, look at her name. Akeem wife is crazy. And then you come to my chat and tell me that we gonna be something one day. That hurts.
Those people are crazy.
That hurt. That hurt. Can you put when you gonna put Malik's wife? When you gonna do that? Just Malik's wife. When's that gonna happen? I'll buy you a bag, I'll buy you a car, I'll buy you a house, whatever you want, baby.
I wanna go to where you're at.
To Charlotte? You wanna come to Charlotte?
Yeah, I wanna come to
plane
Charlotte.
ticket. What you want, a plane ticket?
I need a visa.
A visa, word. We get that too. That's no problem. We got that. A little visa, a little plane ticket. You just gotta drop Akeem. That's all you gotta do. Simple. You can do that, right?
Of course I can.
Hey, y'all hear that? Her chat. Hey, her chat. Y'all hear that? Akeem gone. If Akeem pop back in her chat at any point in time, tell him he's a bum. And she found a new man. A new man that's gonna take care of her. And will. They're telling me someone came in my chat and said leak run. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. They said leak run is crazy. Is your chat being honest with me? They said leak run. I don't know.
Yeah, the people in their chat are hypocrites.
Guys, I don't know. This is a tough one. A lot of people saying run. You know what I think though?
What?
I don't care what they think. I care what you think, baby.
And I tell you what I'm
I care
thinking.
what they think. I care what you think, baby. They could say, Malik, you should have seen how she did her last man. I'd be like, I don't care. I all I care about is what we gonna do. That's the only thing that matters. How are we gonna proceed with this relationship?
Exactly.
Where are we going with this? Probably to the moon. Maybe to Jupiter. Possibly Mars. We're up and out. We're doing something with it. Can I ask you something real quick?
What?
Have you ever shared a kiss with somebody on live?
No.
You trying to let me be the first one?
Yes.
You will for real? You will for real? Let's go. Let's go. All right. How are we gonna do this? I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
All right. I gotta get my breathing under control. Hold on.
Chat man look to give. Where didn't they? I'm not nobody. I'm bored. Where's then? Exactly. Yes. So. So the drink is on a quick for blood clot come time. No. So now I want to start really man clown, you know. Not some set a some really set a man clown sit, boo sit. Not some set a really man clown sit, boo sit, sit. And I don't allow man for do anything to the blood clot, we ready for type about no and no and no. You mad? No. I can't throw more 2 money gun. I'm not really man clown. It's true. Because the man over there start defend him there. Him there, sir. Not type no. Him there, sir. Him there. Him there. Him there. Not there, sir. No, there's a blood clot. I mean, alone there, so. And when woman alone there to themselves, you know what happen? We start think out of the box. And when we start think out of the blood clot box, and them things that we sit down and keep, and them things that we sit down and do, and keep up a blood clot time. And then we will sit down and keep up our own time to ourselves. Because we have fill that gap there. Sometimes we find ourselves gone when we don't even know where we're going. You can't stay there. But nah. I get me the one that someone could stop me have a care. No, it's true, then. It's true. Because them feel like say, oh, I'm gonna stay here and wait until you go all over the world and come back. But not depend on there's something there. So that means say when you sit down and you wait for one man, that means you only giving to the man feelings, oh you blood clad feel. Then I go have time when you feel lonely. Then I got no time when you feel blood clot lonely. What's up?
Hi, Rosie.
Rosie,
What's
where
up?
have you been?
I've been here.
Well, you hadn't been visiting us.
I will come and play with you guys tomorrow. You wanna play now?
Let's run one right now.
Rosie, I thought you deserted us.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Let's do
Better
it,
not do
Rosie.
it again.
We can do a one and done, Rosie.
But it's in all of this type of world.
Oh shit, yeah, we got Rosie.
I wasn't gonna do it then though. I wasn't gonna do it, but I was just saying so the way that I'm ready for go talk about Rose, no, love man like dog. Oh Rose, no, what he would think. No, screen a card and one. I tell me that for love man like a dog. No. We can't get none for no now, no. No, you know that no. You see man there, sir? You see man blood clot there, sir? We not bother. No, you see man there, sir? When man missing for too long around blood clot, woman, their mind wander and their body stray. So if you have one blood clot, woman, you know, in a time fear, and I was gonna be a piece of it, because I'm just gonna slow and wait for you. You can't pussy class to the thing. Say me a pussy clot goon. Can't stay there. I mean, whenever no check them is a blood clad idibo. I'm look at me a man idiot. Can't stay there. Don't take me like a year. Coming over with a big pussy girl I short the life so much time for. We don't go ball out. Oh no, no. You don't know type no. No, you mad screen card. What the fuck you have to me that about screen recording for? Shot, we have 10 nuggets, we can't protect them with 11. We can't protect the 11 nuggets. Shot, we can't protect the 11 nuggets, we can't move on with their blood clot. 4K for got 5. We can't get nothing, chat. 11 nuggets gone to the docks. No lie me, I tell Dean. With a blood clot come, no. Oh, Rose, no. Oh, Rosalie, no. There's a man there, sir. Me ask someone, no, someone really delusional, you know. I'm not going to help you, delusional too. Oh no, you don't know, no. I mean, I said, what you? You no, I know. Screen recording, no. Screen recording, no. No, Rose, no. No, Rosalie, no, you're mad. Rosie, why are you doing this? No, Rosie. No, Rosalie, why are you doing that? Remember Bossy? You said sometime I weak to blood clot. Oh, remember Bossy? Love man like dog. Remember Bossy? Oh, Rosie, don't do that. Remember Bossy? You know, some mad already. No, some in a request. Now black someone, you know. He's a mad man in a clean clothes. They're not good. Oh, Rosalie, remember Bossy? Oh, remember Bossy? You see Bossy there, sir? Now start black someone when I send my request. No. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, Rosie.
Come back tomorrow, Rosie.
I will.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you, Rosie.
Bye. Bye, baby.
Golly, Alex,
Oh,
get off me, Dickie. What's
remember boys.
wrong? Me pick up.
Oh, Rosie. Remember Bossy? Remember Bossy, Rosie? Rosalie. Remember Bossy? Remember the balls, please. No. Screen a card in now. See Bossy there, sir? No, man, too much. Now look. So, which them I go road, Monday I go road, I meet one nice little policeman. And I'm do I say, hey, good afternoon. I was like, hi. I was like, yeah. I was like, I'm going by CDF to do something for the kids. And he was like, everything good in the car? I was like, yeah. And I was like smiling because, you know, I'm a woman and stuff like that. And I said, okay, leave me on TikTok. And he asked me, oh, is your day went good today? And I was like, yeah, I got through. I was like, hey, okay, beautiful. I said, I'm an odd emoji. I could have said, hey, here's my number, call me on WhatsApp. It's so fucking easy. That is so easy. Auntie, what go on?
Auntie, you know the long way out there? Really?
So bear you to in mind, you to inform some of you all that think that I'm dumb. Okay? You see, when you're in a relationship, you don't make time for who you're with, they will leave you, they will stray. No amount of love where you say you love them and you see them when you feel like can't hold nobody. Modern time now. So when you see me, I say, they don't type. You don't want to black on no. But I made cheap on me tonight. I choose that I'm not in the mood. I should have back in the blood clot days when I can't go see if you wouldn't post the clot. Yes, I'm alive now. I would have jumped in our Uber and go and find somebody can catch up on. There, so. Alright, now I'm bored. I'm not getting nothing, so work done. But just stay aside, lie down, and I look. Because me not have nowhere to go. I'm gonna just go and lie down as I burn time. That's why I start the pay more often and more extra in our car. Me have to there so lie down and burn time. Yeah, me have to there so lie down and burn pure time and time. Me have burn just for time. But back in the days when me can't, but my band soon lift up still. I'm gonna drink a whole one conversation with somebody. Anybody at all? Anywhere you lead me, I will go. This is boring. I'm a boring. So when I know, yeah, then freedom I come. Yeah, then when I'm free up from captivity. What you mean by? Me not there some bone time. Yes, me a bone time. Me not get nothing. But not send me nothing. I'm just there so long lie long a bone time. So long a bone time them. Lie long a bone time because I'm boring. You say I'm boring. And then I had somebody know and I said to look over that fuck around one of the type, oh no, bossy, no. Bossy look him there, so Bossy gone about in business, gonna have him fun time. So when they put more no type, nobody near me so I gotta start feel tight out. You know, attitude that won't make man turn in a one big piece of perky. Cause someone love man like more than myself. When I value myself now, I wanna feel. When I value man, I put up a man do no. When all man goon, man circus. So send me the blood clot request that me say. 9:59. After one time I there from 5 o'clock. Almost blood clot 5 hour now. Almost 5 hour now. Almost 5 hour now from 5 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the destination hour. 4 hour 46 minutes. Don't tell me shit. Because what? When you're in a relationship, you use people when you feel like to. That no work, so. So you use people when you feel like, and upon when your timing things work out. That works, so. So they come tight none here, so you don't see me a chat to nobody. So I have to just block someone and start road to now. Cause I chip. I remember I'm not this about but I tell you exactly how I feel, don't type nothing, yes so. When you're in a relationship, you know, use people when you feel like you make time for them. So if I 7 days of blood clot week, and you have to work, and you have to party, you pencil it out. Or you go on and stop wasting people's time. You don't want someone to time with this to me. Lock
Oh.
music, turn on music.
Oh, Joachim's wife? Joachim's wife?
Warmer.
Oh, I am Akif life, buddy. Joachim's wife, I am Akim life. we will have one battle with Joachim's wife. We will have
They're stinking man. That's what come can't have a problem in no man. Chat focus. Yeah, more tired. Chop. Me have company last week, me I know, me not have none. I left that wealthy and lonely. Lonely won't leave me alone. Why tell me why? Lonely won't let me fall in love. Everywhere I go, I miss her always by my side. Lonely won't let me fall in love. I can't find my man texting my phone. Always by my side. Lonely won't let me fall in love. Ooh. Always by my side. Lonely won't let me fall in love. Hello? You didn't see me, I call you. I do. No. No. No, I can't do anything. What I was here, ya. Someone I can't call you. What kind of work? Yeah, me don't want you, me don't want.